welcome to Mama Juliet's Kitchen, and blessed days to you guys that watch this video. Also to my subscriber and my followers on my Facebook page, God bless you. Please join me so that we can make this delicious meat together, and here are the ingredients I'm going to be using. Okay guys, all my vegetables already be slicing. Our water is here to cook. Here is our pot to fry the vegetables. I'm going to add some little bit olive oil because it's already hot. And I'm going to take the onions. I'm going to add some little salt for my onions. Rosemary. Thyme. Let it fry just 2 minutes. It is 2 minutes. I'm going to be adding the concentrated tomatoes in. I'm going to let it fry just for 5 minutes. Okay, it's 5 minutes. Now we're going to be adding our mushrooms. We also add our shrimps. I take the bouillons. I have 2 bouillons here. Let's stir everything together. Easy. I'm going to let it fry just 3 minutes. Okay, it is 3 minutes. I'm going to be adding all the rest vegetables inside. We add a little bit salt. Add some little bit soya. Stir everything. We're going to let it cook just for 5 minutes. Our water is already cooked. We're going to be putting our spaghetti inside the hot water. Okay guys, it is 5 minutes. You just have to check the sauce. So we'll be adding the mussels inside. Just take it very clean. Look at the mussels. And turn everything. So I'm going to just let it be just like this for 5 minutes. Till I check all the mussels when they're open, you know that it's ready. Okay guys, it's 5 minutes. Let's check our, look at it. Let me first stir. You can see it. Now I'm going to be adding this spaghetti inside. Then I just stir everything. Okay guys, that is it guys. It is ready. Hey guys, this is the outcome of my spaghettis with all the sauce together. Look at it. Come on, join us so that we can eat this delicious meat together. Thanks so much for watching my video. I see you guys in my next video. Bye.